Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're showing you what the heated shoulder wrap looks like. So the instruction book, it's a heated and vibration. So for power, this plugs into your wall. This plugs in right here and that gives you power. So we go ahead and plug this in. It lights up and then goes off. Now you press and hold. And then you have different vibration modes. Three different modes. And then for heating, you press and hold. And you got red, white, and blue. So red should be, I think red's high, white could be low, blue could be medium, and red could be high. Check out your manual. Looks like it's probably about right. Press and hold to turn it off. So here's the extra shoulder strap that they provide you with. Go ahead, everything is all Velcro. So it opens up just like this. They also do provide you with another power cable. This would go into a USB port. You can use a power bank with this. So this would plug into a power bank and then this would plug in right here. You would take that plug out, put that plug in, plug this into a power bank, and then you could use this on the go with the power bank. But overall, looks very nice. Good for anyone who has shoulder issues.